Who's paying for all of our gas? I'm getting over here.
I'll do all the bugs and black and all this stuff.
I know, I've never cleaned it. I need to fucking clean it. Do a wheelie, you won't. Oh, the gas cap? Yeah. I'll literally be sitting at red lights. Look, I can pull up my videos and you'll see me and I'm just punching it. I pull it up and punch it. Get away from me. Oh, fuck.
I need to break your bike though.
Backpack? Wait, McCarty, can I ride yours? Oh, this does feel small. Where the oh yeah, the angle bars are down. I don't like this. Wait, where the fuck's your push to start?
Hold the clutch in.
Where's your push start? Oh. I don't trust myself on this. I don't. Oh, this feels like a fucking like scooter. This actually feels so weird. I don't like this at all. Never mind. I don't want a Yamaha anymore. I'm not getting an R6. I'm getting a ZX. Wait, do you have a neutral? Oh yeah. Yeah, it does feel like a lot lighter. You could probably throw it around, but I don't like that. Yeah, no, they look the same size, but for some reason sitting on this just... Stop caressing my gas tank. I feel uncomfortable. We need to wrap this up. McCarty's getting weird. Stop touching my clit. Stop it. That's my clit. Oh, I do every time I stop. Wait. Oh yeah, you're right. No, I did it the wrong way. I normally do left.
Yeah, let's go for a ride. Let's go for a ride.
Were those assholes? Everyone hates us. Too many curves. I didn't want to pass that truck. One of y'all take pics. My camera's from my quad lock. It might look better.
How do you like this one?
That's tough. You blocked out your fucking bike though. Should we go under like that light so we actually have light? Cause like Noah's bike is not lit up. That's neutral. Go on the other side like where I'm at, but on the other side of Noah. Alright. What's up? Appreciate it. Is this your bike?
No, it's a computer. I need to get one. I need to get one really bad.
Have you got one yet or is it going to be your first?
That'll be my first.
What do you want to get?
A starter bike. How
Starter-
much does this go?
This one tops out at 120, but
Okay.
it's-
Only goes 140.
are you trying to like learn right now on the R7?
I don't know. I'm just riding around.
Just riding around?
I'm backpacking right now.
You're backpacking?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
I think it's a nice starter bike though.
Yeah, no, you could definitely start on the R7,
Yeah.
but these are like the two like big like starter ones, the Ninja 400 and then the blue one is an R3.
The gear is sick. Where'd you get it?
Cycle Gear. Yeah, it was a full suit for, it was like normally $450 on sale for only $300, so I was like, might as well pick it up, be safe. Cycle Gear has the most options. They're just really expensive, so.
What's up, bro?
What's up, what's your name? Is this your bike?
Yeah, that's mine.
How long you been riding?
Since October.
Okay, I mean, I started in August, so we're about the same. You bought it new?
No, yeah, brand new. Like,
Damn.
24, brand new. Which, don't mind that. It's because of my fell, which is why I bought a cross ass.
Let's say you have the crash cage, yeah.
Yeah, no. Like, this fell off before.
Oh
I
shit.
actually dropped it for the first time because. But. Oh, we're fucking doing wheelies. What's wrong?
I can get it up a little bit.
I can get it up almost on the.
That ass?
Yeah, like I can. I don't know, cause to me it looks like it's high as shit.
Hey.
To others it doesn't, but I can definitely do it.
Hey, show me what you got real quick. Hell yeah, dude. All right, let's see what you got, man.
I got you.
That's clean.
Yeah.
Is that, what year is that? It looks new.
25.
There you go.
Yeah, I got it in December. Oh, he be popping that shit. Hella.
Dude,
Hella popping that shit.
he looks like he knows how to ride, I'm not gonna lie.
He does. He does ride.
I'm thinking about getting either an R6 or a ZX6R.
No, yeah.
One of those two.
I joined Jordan. Yeah.
Damn, it's so quiet. It's on that side?
Yeah, I thought it was.
What the fuck?
That's just.
How's it feel?
It's so much more aggressive than ours.
I know. That's,
See how aggressive
yeah.
it is?
I'll do it.
I really don't care. There's a crash cage. I mean, that's the entire point. Like,
I'm not. Oh, really? It's hard to jump into our neutral. Hell yeah. Hey, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah. What's the next
What the f?